Today I am reviewing the MSI Thin A15 15.6-inch FHD 144Hz gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MSI Thin A15 15.6-inch FHD 144Hz gaming laptop is a powerful and versatile laptop designed for gamers, students, and professionals who need a portable device without sacrificing performance. At its core, it is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5-7535HS processor, which combines high-efficiency cores with performance cores to handle both demanding gaming sessions and multitasking workflows. Alongside this, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics ensures smooth visuals, realistic ray-traced effects, and responsive gameplay. Whether you're playing competitive shooters, exploring expansive open-world titles, or running creative software, the Thin A15 delivers consistently smooth performance. The 15.6-inch Full HD display is more than just a standard screen. With a 144Hz refresh rate, it brings games and videos to life with ultra-smooth motion. Fast-paced action sequences look crisp, and the 1 millisecond response time reduces ghosting and motion blur, giving you a competitive edge in gaming. Colors are vibrant, and combined with the wide viewing angles of the panel, you get clear and accurate visuals from virtually any position, whether you're watching a movie, editing photos, or streaming content. The thin bezels also create a modern, immersive feel, maximizing your screen space for work or play. Inside, the laptop features 16 GB of DDR5 memory and a 512 GB PCIe Gen4 SSD, which together provide lightning-fast system performance. Applications open quickly, games load in seconds, and multitasking is effortless. Whether you're switching between a browser, office applications, and a game, the system handles it seamlessly. The fast storage also allows you to store a large library of games, videos, and projects without worrying about running out of space, while the advanced DDR5 memory ensures that everything stays smooth, even under heavy workloads. Portability is another highlight of the MSI Thin A15. The laptop is thin and lightweight, making it easy to carry between home, school, or work. This is a huge advantage for students or professionals who need a gaming-capable laptop that doesn't weigh them down. Despite its slim profile, MSI has included their Cooler Boost technology, a dual-fan cooling system that efficiently dissipates heat during extended gaming or productivity sessions. You can push the laptop hard without worrying about thermal throttling or uncomfortable heat buildup. The design is both stylish and functional. The laptop's backlit keyboard allows for comfortable typing and gaming even in low-light conditions. Key travel and responsiveness are optimized for accuracy, giving you a tactile and satisfying experience whether you're gaming, coding, or typing essays. The laptop also supports HDMI, USB-C, and Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring fast connectivity for peripherals, external displays, and online gaming. This makes it a highly versatile device that can adapt to multiple environments, whether it's at home, in a dorm, or in a cafe. Running on Windows 11, the MSI Thin A15 provides a modern, secure, and customizable platform. You can enjoy the latest features, optimize performance, and security enhancements, all while taking full advantage of the hardware. From gaming and streaming to studying and creative work, this laptop can handle it all. The combination of powerful hardware, fast refresh rates, responsive graphics, and portability makes it a standout choice in its price range. Overall, the MSI Thin A15 15.6-inch FHD 144Hz gaming laptop strikes an excellent balance between performance, portability, and design. It's perfect for gamers who need fast refresh rates, students who require a capable laptop for schoolwork and leisure, and professionals looking for a portable but powerful system. With its lightweight design, superior cooling, vibrant display, and reliable hardware, the Thin A15 proves that you don't need to compromise on performance to get a portable laptop. If you're looking for a high-performance, thin, and lightweight gaming laptop in 2026, the MSI Thin A15 is one of the best options available, offering everything you need to game, work, and create without limits.